Who doesn't like the noise of rain? Wow. So my plan is someday to have a large container, one of the longer ones, and put it in my woods and put it on stands, on feet, probably 3 feet off the ground. So I can also store stuff underneath it, and build a deck around it, and that'll be my safe space. I can imagine it raining like this out there. The deck will also have part of it will have a roof on there, but it'll be my little shack in the woods. I haven't seen it rain this hard in months. When I say months, probably 6 months ago, if not longer. Especially during the day. You know, many times we'll get the rain, but it happens at night. This will really knock a lot of the leaves off, so I'll have fun. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, I'll have fun mulching leaves tomorrow. It's starting to slow down. It's supposed to be raining like this for about another 2 hours, hour and a half from now. It should quit. Not really looking forward to winter, people. How about you guys? But it happens every year, you know, every year. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm going to go to bed early tonight. Man, I am beat. Beat, I tell you. Oh, tomorrow I got physical therapy. That's always fun. All right, guys, I'm going to call this video quits. You know, if I could edit these videos, I would put them together, but you're just going to have to log in and see what it's about and what I talk about. I had a couple of names I wanted to drop, and I can't think of them right off the bat. One is Jack Ryan. Jack Ryan. Jack, what are you up to? What you doing? Anthony Shanahan, Chris. Chris? Oh, shoot. I had another name on the tip of my tongue, but I forgot it already. Chris something. He's got that Mustang, about a 600 horsepower Mustang. Julio Lopez, of course. And we all know him, right? Jennifer Stevens. Jennifer, what's up? James Climack. Hope everybody's hanging in there. Bill James. Bill James. Bill Welps. Or Welpley. John Cox. What's up, John? I'll think of more names. Jerry Lee. Jerry Lee, what's going on? I haven't seen or heard your name in years. Jerry Lee, what is up? What's up? All right, guys. Still watching the leaves coming off. Now, the yellow ones right here, I got like 7 of them up front between the property and the road. Those things are walnuts, and those leaves I really like because they totally disappear after a few rains. They rot away quickly. They shrivel up and rot away. It's those maple leaves that stick around. Now my neighbor's putting a whole bunch of maple trees right over here, just on the other side of my property. Nice looking ones, but I should probably hire somebody to get it out of there. Yep, the leaves are falling off. All right, see you guys. See you later. Bye.